Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope so all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, in this collection you see the ideas of the decoration. The decoration is beautiful for the Merry Christmas, and in this collection you see the ideas, the dry crafts and the candles decor and the beautiful branches of trees. The Merry Christmas trees looking so amazing, looking so fantastic with ornamental ideas. The garland looks so amazing. The decoration is very, very important. The decoration is very, very beautiful. And everyone waiting for and everyone searching for the best YouTube channel that provides you the decoration, that provides you ideas. So, guys, if you are searching, then your first priority to subscribe my YouTube channel, like my YouTube channel, to share my YouTube channel. Most demanding video and most beautiful ideas of the Christmas. The Christmas is looking so beautiful. The decoration is so fantastic. Watch, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share and comment.